Good day everyone, and welcome to this case study. Today we are going to do a case study on Euro AUD. So as you can see on the chart, market mitigated in demand zone. They went up to sweep of liquidity. So after the sweep of liquidity, that's when we entered our trade. So we'll go on a lower time frame to see what the chart looks like. So this is our chart on the 1 hour time frame. So let's zoom in. As you can see on the chart, we had an uptrend here, refinement structure, swept liquidity, change power. So we later came back to mitigate this inside bar supply zone. Before that, market literally kept it along the line. So the first one is this trade, which is 1:33. That's what we're going to focus on now for the next trade. So we'll go to the lower times, see what the chart actually looks like. So this is what the chart looks like on the 2 minutes time frame. Let's zoom in. So after the break, that is with mitigation of demand zone, which later failed, then change of card. Market later came this to refine supply zone. So we actually did mark out this supply zone from the higher time frame, which is the 1 hour, before we refined it here on the 15 minutes. So this trade, the refinement gave us a trade of 1:33. As you can see on the chart here, 1:33. So we traded to the higher time frame swing low, which is here. This here. So that's the point we traded. But as for me, I actually closed the trade somewhere because of this demand zone held for a moment. So for the next trade, which is the second one, we have this 1:104. So let's focus more on that one. As you can see on the chart here on the 10 minutes, after market mitigated that point, it gave us another entry on the 5 minutes. So let's focus on that. Market came closer to the supply zone. Then it came closer to the supply zone, left the liquidity, which is in the ASEAN session. So when the London market opened, market hit 15 minutes supply zone. Then later on, we changed character on the as the lower time. Now on the 5 minute entry here, the 5 minutes, which we entered our second trade. So this first one we had a chop. This second one on the lower time frame we also had a chop. So that's why we entered. As you can see on the chart, that's the clean supply zone where we entered this trade from and traded down to the higher time frame swing. So this trade gave us 1:104, which is this higher time frame swing low. That's why we traded to. For this particular trade, I also closed it for this second one. So we actually plan to get to this somewhere around this low. I didn't hold to that, but this trade gave us the expected risk to reward ratio, which was a very clean one. So that's it for these two trades. 1:33 and 1:104. A very clean one. See you on the next